Our planet is a vast, beautiful place, filled with diverse cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and experiences waiting just for you. And that's exactly what we're here to talk about. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide that will help you plan your dream vacation, pack light, and most importantly, stay safe while you're out there exploring the world. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big trip, this video is going to be your go-to resource. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of travel and adventure. Let's get started, shall we? Planning your dream vacation. So, you've got that travel itch, and you're ready to plan your dream vacation. But where do you start? Let's break it down. Step 1. Choosing your destination. This might seem obvious, but it's more than just picking a place on the map. You need to consider the climate, the culture, the activities available, and of course, your budget. Once you've chosen your destination, it's time to budget. This includes everything from flights and accommodation to food, activities, and a little extra for those unexpected expenses. Remember, a well-planned budget is the key to a stress-free vacation. Next, it's time to book your accommodations and transportation. Whether you're a fan of luxury hotels, cozy bed and breakfasts, or a tent under the stars, book in advance to secure the best deals. The same goes for your flights, trains, or car rentals. Finally, plan your itinerary. Research the must-see spots, local cuisine to try, and unique experiences your destination has to offer. But remember, leave some room for spontaneity. Some of the best travel experiences are those unplanned moments. And there you have it, the basics of planning your dream vacation. But remember, the most important tip is to make it your own. After all, it's your dream vacation. Packing light for your adventure. Packing light. It's a concept that can seem daunting, especially if you're going on a long trip. But trust me, it's not only possible, it's liberating. First, let's talk about why packing light is beneficial. It saves you from lugging around heavy suitcases, helps you avoid extra baggage fees, and makes it easier to move around during your travels. So, what are the essentials? Well, that depends on your destination and the length of your trip. But generally, you'll need clothing, toiletries, travel documents, and a few gadgets like your phone, charger, and camera. Now, the trick to packing light is not just about what you pack, but how you pack. Rolling your clothes, instead of folding, can save a lot of space. And packing cubes? They're a game changer. Remember, the goal is to pack versatile items that can be mixed and matched. Choose clothing that is appropriate for the weather and activities planned. And there you have it. With a bit of planning and some smart packing techniques, you can travel light and still have everything you need. Staying safe while traveling. Traveling is an exciting adventure, but it's crucial to remember that safety should always be a priority. Let's discuss some ways to ensure you stay safe while exploring the world. Firstly, always carry a basic first aid kit. It doesn't have to be extensive, but it should include essentials like band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary prescription medications. Before you travel, research about your destination. Understand the local customs, laws, and potential safety risks. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it can also keep you safe. Stay connected. Make sure your phone works in the country you're visiting. It's important to be able to reach out to local authorities or your embassy in case of an emergency. Invest in travel insurance. It can cover everything from lost luggage to medical emergencies. It's one of those things you hope you never have to use, but you'll be glad you have it if you do. Lastly, trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Don't be afraid to remove yourself from uncomfortable situations. Remember, staying safe doesn't mean you can't have fun. It just means you're taking the necessary precautions to ensure your adventure is memorable for all the right reasons. Sharing personal travel experiences. Traveling is more than just visiting new places. It's about the experiences, the memories, and the stories you bring back. Let me share some of mine. This picture was taken on my first solo trip. I was nervous, but it turned out to be one of the best experiences of my life. It taught me independence, adaptability, and the joy of making new friends from different cultures. And this one, from a trek in the Himalayas. It was physically challenging, but reaching the summit was an indescribable feeling. It taught me that sometimes, the hardest paths lead to the most beautiful destinations. Each trip has its own story, its own lessons. And that's the beauty of travel. It's a continuous journey of learning and growing, of stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. So, whether you're planning your first trip or your 100th, remember to embrace each experience, each moment. Because in the end, we don't just travel to see the world. We travel to discover ourselves. Conclusion. Well, fellow adventurers, we've covered a lot of ground today. From planning your dream vacation, to packing light, staying safe, and even sharing some personal travel stories. Remember, travel is a personal journey. It's about exploring new places, experiencing different cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. But it's also about being prepared, being smart, and being respectful of the places we visit. So, whether you're about to embark on your first adventure or you're a seasoned traveler, I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So, go out there, explore, learn, grow, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of your journey. After all, that's what travel is all about. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What are your travel tips? What's your dream destination? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And stay tuned for more travel adventures.